G'day, welcome to the Simple Cooking channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make apricot marshmallow balls. These are delicious, decadent, I'm dumbfounded, all those D's give you a smile. So let's go.
Simple Cooking Channel.
Now for this, get a food processor. If you don't have one, you can just put these ingredients in a Ziploc bag and crush them up, bash them with a rolling pin. That works really well if you've had a bad day. I'll get 125 grams of some sort of sweet biscuits. I'm using Nice biscuits. 130 grams of dried apricots. Add 60 grams of mini marshmallows. I'm using multicolors. 30 grams of peanuts. 40 grams of white chocolate. 20 grams of desiccated coconut. Now we want to just either pulse it or just turn it on to medium high, or high if you want, and just get this to a nice mixture. Nice. That is just what we want. Lovely. I'll get a good sized mixing bowl, put the mixture in there, add a quarter of a teaspoon of vanilla extract, then add 220 grams, which is just under 3/4 of a cup, of sweetened condensed milk. Now we just want to mix this through. Now get your mixture, roll them into little balls. Now you can either just have them like that, or you could roll them in some desiccated coconut. If you like coconut, then yeah, this is what you want. If you don't, don't. Now just pop these in the fridge for 30 to 40 minutes to let them just settle a little bit better than they are, but you can eat them now if you want, but I usually put them in the fridge for 30 to 60 minutes and then we'll eat. Well, I hope you like these. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh, how good did those look? Some with coconut on the outside, some without. I'm gonna try one with oh, this makes me want to sing. I'll see you next time for my next meal.
Simple